Jess, where's the caterpillars again?
Huh?
Where's the caterpillars? It's not here.
They went fly already.
Oh, they went fly. Oh man, they like this. This is like their home.
Yeah, no, they went back already. They got leaves now.
Oh yeah,
But they're caterpillar, they're gonna go away.
They'll come back again, huh? Yeah. I don't know where it went. Let's go over here, this side. All right. What's up, guys? It's your boy Robert here. Hope you guys are having a great day. We just finished work once again, right, Jess?
Yeah.
Yeah. You know what, guys? We're gonna. How come this light is still on, Jess? Is she still there? The light is still on.
Oh, I don't know. That's not. It's locked.
Huh?
I don't know.
It's locked? Alright. Alright, guys. So, you know what? We're going to our favorite place once again. You guys are coming along. I want to show you guys the beautiful sky. Here it is, guys. Check it out. Look how beautiful it is. Look at that. Jess, check out the skies, man. Look at that, guys. Woo. Oh my goodness. We are back at our favorite place. Once again, check it out, guys. Look at that. Look at that. We got some people playing musical instruments way down there. And then we got people stretching out, doing yoga and whatnot over there. Look at that. Yes, let's go and take a picture. Yes, are you okay?
Yeah. No, my sister did.
She asked me. I'm gonna take a picture. Alright, guys. Come with us. Let's go hang over here, Jess, this side. Let's take a break from over there. A whole bunch of people over there. Look at that. Wow, nice. Alright. Oh my head is itchy. Yeah. Alright. Alright, guys, here is the famous little area here. What is this? You gotta take away all this trash, man. I don't even want to touch that. Oh my god, Jess, look. Some leaves over here. What are they doing to this place?
What happened?
I don't know. Somebody made a mess. They gotta fix it.
Somebody make a nest.
Yeah. Nest? Nest or mess?
Nest.
Yeah. Alright, guys. We got people over there. I don't know if you guys can see, but they're playing guitar. Look at that. We got some music action over there. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Once again, I'm rocking my Vikings. Remember, Vi means water in Hawaiian. That is, and we are in Hawaii. So if you want to feel like a king, guys, make sure you pick up 10 of these in my Shopify store, which is in my description. Check it out, guys. Look at that. Look at the sky. Look at the, oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at the coconut trees, guys. Look at the restaurant. Look at people stretching out behind the Jess over there. Behind Jess. Stretching out. There's people stretching out behind you, Jess. Yeah.
Sitting down sideways.
No, they were stretching. They were just stretching. Come over here, Jess. Go hang out. Alright. Whoa! Alright. Look at that. Woo! Yeah, like I say, this is our favorite place, guys, here in Kapaa. Oh yeah, if you guys love camera gear and camera and gimbals and all that, check out Atola Visuals. She was here not too long ago, I think a couple weeks ago. Kitty from Atola Visuals.
What the hell was that?
Yeah, well, I watch her YouTube, and she visited and she said that's the best workstation, and that's the place right there. So Kitty, if you're watching, which I highly doubt, guys, there's your workstation. Yeah, that's your workstation. It's kind of dirty right now, but I hope these county workers step up and clean up this place. All right. Woo! Wow. Look at that, Jess. Alright guys, so yeah, just walking around over here at our favorite place here in Kapaa. That in the background is, what is it? Sam's Ocean View Restaurant. You sure you don't want to try it, Jess? We'll have a couple margaritas. Look at that. That looks pretty cool over there. Maybe we can show the viewers what's up with that restaurant, or you want to go far? I don't know. Up to you, Jess. What do you want to do? What do you want to do? Amazed. They're amazed. Hey, we still have some. No, we still have some good lighting. You guys still can see us, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Chicken, just chicken. Oh, you got it. You got it. Oh, yeah. Jess has a sound down to a science, guys. Yeah. Look at that. Ooh, palm trees. Uh-oh, get to the side, the bikers are around. Yeah.
To the side.
Yeah,
Side
check out
to
this.
side.
Check out the swimming pool over here.
Oh wow, nobody's swimming.
Yeah. This
It's
resort looks
cool?
pretty cool.
It's cold.
I don't know. But this is Hotel Coral Reef, guys.
Wow,
Right here, Hotel Coral Reef. You know, from the outside, we've never stayed here before. But from the outside, it looks pretty nice. You know, looks pretty nice. It's right in front of the bike path here. You know, the beach is okay. Look at that. Got a nice swimming pool. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'll show. Giving them a little plug here. Look at that. Nice. You guys can't see it, but nice little swimming pool area surrounded by beautiful coconut trees, and you know, you're here in our favorite town, which is Kapaa, guys. You know, libraries only down there. Kapaa town, where a lot of the shops and restaurants is just a 10-minute walk down, or less than that. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So, yeah, I don't know. Maybe one of these days. Oh, hey, what do you call that now? Hotel Coral Reef. If you see this video, you know, we would love to stay a couple nights. Give you guys a free plug. You know, exchange of services, guys. Wouldn't mind. Even though we pass your place every day, or almost every day. But yeah, check this out, guys.
Day.
Yeah. Woo.
Oh my God! Is that deep? Oh yeah,
Yeah.
it's low tide.
Yeah. So this is this
Very
is
low
where
tide.
Romeo caught his big fish on the other side of this bridge. Yeah. So we got this nice area right here. Look at this. The grass comes out to this spot right here. Look at this nice little beach area. Look at that. Nobody here. I know it's late. But it kind of holds true during the day also. You know, not too many people, not crowded like down on the south side. You know, you gotta fight for space. But here in Kapaa, guys, look at that. Look at that. We got a lady over there just relaxing. Right? We got Jess over here looking for, what are you looking for again, Jess? Looking for seashells once again?
Not allowed.
Not allowed. Not allowed. All right, guys. Let's go and eat. Bring you guys along. I don't know where we're gonna. Wanna go check out the Sam's place? Yeah. So, but you know, I gotta go use the bathroom, guys. I gotta do the number 2 peace sign. You know what I mean?
I want to use the bathroom.
You're bad. We just cleaned that area. What's going on, Jess? All right. It's getting kind of dark. You can't even see us anymore, I think. You just can see our silhouette. You can see our silhouette.
Your shadow.
The outline.
The
You guys like my
shadow.
haircut? Just did a great job on my hair. Thanks, Jess. All right, let's go and eat. Oh, Jess, it looks busy, Jess.